हमारे यंग एज में एट द एज ऑफ 18, 19, 20 जब हमें डिसाइड करना होता है कि कौन सी फील्ड में हमें जाना है, एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हमें हमारे माइंड में ये कंफ्यूजन होती है कि कौन से करियर में जाना चाहिए, कौन सी वो चीज़ हमें सेलेक्ट करनी चाहिए ताकि हम बाकी हमारी सारी ज़िंदगी हमारी उस चीज़ में खुशी से गुजर सके और हम उस चीज़ को खुशी से कर सकें। इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट जब आप इस स्टेज में होते हैं और आपको कोई आइडियाज़ नहीं होते और आप इतने एक्सपीरियंस्ड नहीं होते हैं. So what you need to do at this stage, because I have been in this place and I'm still like trying things out. So how can we cope up with these situations and how we can come up with solutions? And the solution is very simple. You have to make mistakes. You have to go through many things and you have to see what works the best for you. What is something in which you feel that you are talented? What is something in which you feel like you can do it for the rest of your life if it is not paying you? And आपको उस चीज को continue करना चाहिए. Because I had struggled with the same thing. I was trying to figure it out what I need to do. वो कौन सी चीज होगी जिसमें मैं खुश रहूंगा. So let me take you back when I was 10 years old. I had in my mind कि मैं education पे मेरी ज़्यादा तवज्जो होगी. I will be highly educated. मैं एजुकेशन पे फोकस करूंगा. जो भी आज सोशल मीडिया पे चल रहा है, आई वॉज नॉट श्योर कि यार ये सब चीज़ें होंगी. सो आई हैड दिस इन माइंड कि मुझे हाईली एजुकेट अपने आप को करना है एंड मुझे एजुकेशन पे फोकस करना है एंड इसके थ्रू मुझे एक जॉब, आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब. सो जैसी टाइम गुजरता गया, ऑब्वियसली इंसान मेच्योर होता जाता है, उसको चीज़ें समझने शुरू हो जाती हैं एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड ट्राइंग टू figure it out what could be the best thing for me. And I thought why not to do, because I don't want it to do a job, because I've seen so many people. I've also told you this in a video 9 to 5 job is a terrible job and I don't like it because you're always stuck there. You're always under somebody else. You're always working under someone else and I don't like to be that guy. So what I wanted to do, so if you have the willingness to start your business, but if you are new to this and you do not understand कि किस तरह शुरू करें, because you are watching so many people on social media running their own business, living their luxurious life, enjoying their life and they look very happy. So you feel कि यार you want to be like them. So then you start to think, okay, I want to make a business. I want to do the same thing. But when it comes to the practical life, when you go outside of your home, you see all those struggles, those difficulties, and that's where you realize, okay, business is not something which you can do. So I was talking about that, how to figure it out that this is the best career option for you. You need to try out different things. This is the solution for it. Let's say if you're working on something, you really worked hard on it and you are not feeling happy in that one thing, you feel, okay, this is not for you, you are not for this one thing, then you should quit. You should try out different other things and you should invest your time. You have to figure it out, okay, what is something that interests you? What is something in which you can feel better? What is something which you could do for a very long time? What is something which you can do even if it is not paying you? So that's how you can find your interest. That's how you can find your career options. So आज के जो teenagers होते हैं, like I just want to tell you one thing कि life is very hard thing. जब आप शुरू कर रहे हो, it's very hard. It's never easy. Especially when you don't have anybody who can support you. जब आपके सराउंडिंग्स में कोई आपका सपोर्ट करने वाला नहीं होता, then it's very difficult. And आपको सारी चीज़ें जो है ना खुद मैनिपुलेट करनी पड़ेंगी, आपको फिगर आउट करनी पड़ेंगी और आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि what could be the best thing for you. I mean, if you are alone and if you have the willingness to do something, you can do it. You just need to get started and take the actions and just move towards your dreams. So I just wanted to talk about that, how to figure out the best career for ourselves. As I told you in the previous video that I really wanted to get myself education and was looking for that high job. Then I thought, okay, let's say if I get paid good amount of money and if I'm not feeling happy in that thing which I'm doing, so I don't want that kind of life. So I thought, okay, I'm not going for this. I just want to do something जिस पे मेरा control हो, in which I feel happy. I just want to do that thing. And मैंने उस एजुकेशन, वो जो जॉब्स थी, वो मेरे माइंड से उसको मैंने अपनी लाइफ से कट कर लिया. सो यू हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू योरसेल्फ. बाय द वे, इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट इट, आई विल हाईली सजेस्ट यू टू वॉच अंकुर वरिकुज. ही इज फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड उसकी एक क्लास है विच ही हैड अपलोडेड, आई मीन 2 महीने पहले उसने अपलोड की थी. एंड दैट विल टीच यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट चूजिंग योर करियर. एंड उसमें उस सारे पॉइंट्स को कवर अप किया हुआ है. ही इज अ ग्रेट पब्लिक स्पीकर एंड ऑल्सो कंटेंट क्रिएटर. यू माइट नो अबाउट हिम. अगर आप सर्च करेंगे अंकुर वारुकू, आपके सामने वो आ जाएगा. एंड ही हैड अ क्लास. मैं उसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. एंड यू मस्ट वॉच दैट क्लास बिकॉज दैट वीडियो विल क्लियर एवरीथिंग फॉर यू इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट योर करियर. सो इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो. टॉपिक्स से कुछ आगे पीछे बात करता रहता हूँ. सो सॉरी फॉर दैट बिकॉज माई वीडियोज आर नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड एंड आई एम जस्ट randomly speaking to the camera. And alhamdulillah, every day as I'm making videos, I'm getting better, I'm getting comfortable, I am getting used to the camera, and that's a good thing for me. So it was all about today. I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, take care. Khuda Hafiz.